Just bear with me one moment. So anybody has first class today in this group? You has a first class. Okay. You got the recording. You just you just connect with them. Okay. You get the recordings. All right. Yeah. Yes, Sunita, just at this moment, I want you to please mention your questions in the chat window. I'll address your questions. Yeah. If any other questions you have, so after complete the sessions, we will discuss. Understand? So what is the date? 30th, right? Okay. So I hope yesterday we completed identifier. Right? See, the one who had first class today, no need to worry. You get the recordings, and this session is started yesterday only. Okay, so no problem. So we completed identifier. Okay, sir, the link is now permanent. Yes, Washim. See, this is again non-technical. Please talk with support team. Okay, Washim. All right. So now let's start data types. How many reserved words we have, guys? How many reserved words? So what is meant by pandas? What is meant by pandas? Pandas used for data frames, right? And Python indexing begins with 0 or 1. Someone say 1. Begins with 0. Understand, guys? All right. And so data types integer and float. Can anyone tell me what is the difference between integer and float? Integer. Can we declare binary and octal over here in integer? Yes. And in float, we cannot. Understand which letter is allowed in float? Exponential E. Okay. Do not try with A to Z. Okay. You get error. Understood, guys? That's okay. Now let me heading towards today's topic and start complete the data types. Just bear with me. I hope everybody's installed the applications. Does anybody got any issues while installing? You can bring your laptop. Let me check and then you start working. Okay. Yes, guys. So I hope let's run. Just 1 second. Online, my voice is clear. It's not glitch, technical, not glitch, right? It's everything is fine so far. Okay. Anyone tell me what is the rules to define Python identifier? What is the rules to define Python identifier? You can quickly post your answers over chat window, team. Yeah. Alphabetic, does not start with digits, and underscore is allowed. Those things, right? Yeah. And there is no length limit as well, correct? Okay. Let's start, guys. Today we're going to start complex data types. What exactly mean by complex? What is integer? The value without decimal is called integer. For example, a equal to 5, a is called identifier or object or variable. 5 is called integer. Clear? Yeah. So when I say b equal to 5.7, so b is called identifier and 5.7 is called value or data type. Yeah. If I wanted to see the type of this value, just you want to type of b, you get your output. Clear? So this is basic one. Okay. Since childhood onwards, we are learning this. Understood, guys? Yeah. Let's start with complex data types. Let's start with complex data type. So what exactly mean by complex data types? Let's talk about complex data type formats are A plus BJ. What is the format? So now the complex data type formats are A plus BJ. Understand? So here we called A is real part and B is called imaginary part. Understand? What about J? So here j is the compulsory value and there is no other value accepted complex type, guys. Yeah, so normally these complex data types used for a lot of math equations. Okay, for example, NASA scientists on all these things, value of j is j squared is equal to -1. Understand? So mathematics, so if you want to develop mathematics calculations and scientific applications, then complex data type is used. Okay, just understand what is the format. Now let's understand x equals to 30 plus 40j. X equals to 30 plus 40j. So online team, what is the type of x? Anyone, everyone, guys? Type of x is complex. Now let's understand this one. Let's understand this one. I assigned one variable or identifier called y, and I declare 20.5 plus 2.3 j, all right, and z 30.8 plus 20j. Can I get output or I get error over here? Do not write. I will share all the documents to you. I'll share all the documents. No need to worry. If I not share, you can ask me. All right, guys. Can I get output or error? Now let's run this one. We get output because 20 plus 30, 50, all these things. Now y into z, definitely we get output, isn't it? And y by g, we get output. Sir, what happened if I change j to m? Because m is my favorite letter. So that is your favorite letter, but not favorite for Python. Understand? So you wanted to change to j only. Makes sense what I'm saying? Everybody's clear what I'm talking about? Yes, guys, please get in. Now, let's understand this one. Let's understand this one. Now, D is an identifier. I assigned 0 octal. Let me talk about 0 binary, 11 plus 15J. Yeah. So what I'm trying to say, my real part is binary and my imaginary part is 15J. So what is the output I will get? Or I get error? Just think and answer me. All online students, online friends, error or output? Let's talk about output. But now what happened if I wanted to change imaginary part to binary or octal? Let's see this. What is the output now? Error or 15 plus 7j? Everybody's sure? Yeah, let's try this one. Definitely you get error because imaginary part cannot be binary and octal. Everybody's clear, online team? Yes, Abdul, Abhishek, Ajay, Hemant, Archana, Argha, Arvind, Ashish, Ashok, Baba, Bitin, Chandramauli, rest of them. I cannot call your name, or offline team will angry if I never call their name. Yeah, so no need to worry. So here, let's talk about this one. So we get error. So let me write down here. Imaginary part cannot be an, imaginary part can't be an binary or octal. That's not Boolean, my friend. Boolean is true and false. That's not Boolean. Okay. Now let's understand. So guys, at this moment, this is beginning of the session. So might be you feel a little bit comfortable, but when the days goes on, I mean, I'm just trying to make you a little bit deeper dive into the concepts, machine learning and all those things clear. Can you please close the door? Anybody's coming? No, just close the door. Yeah. Chandrahas, wait. I will address your questions later part. All right, write down your questions so that you don't forget. Okay. Now let's understand this one. A1 20 plus 30j, B1 40 plus 50j. What is A1 plus B1? 60 plus 80j. Perfect. What is A1 minus B1? Minus, and I mean all these things I can make it done. Yes. Complex, I can add, I can remove. I mean, I can assign a lot of things. I can do a lot of maths operations like addition, subtractions, multiplications, and division, right? A equals to 2 plus 3 is A. What is the type of A? Complex, right? Now, if I wanted to see, let's say I create another variable, you know what is the rules to define identifier? It should be the letter is end part. Okay. Now, if I start with letter 1A, I cannot assign. Let's run this one because you get error. So the one who is first session today, I humble request you to collect the recording and understand all those sessions. Okay. So A1 equal to 10 plus 20J. If I wanted to see real number, what I need to do? A1 dot real. I'm asking all non-technical student, are you able to understand what I'm speaking, guys? Online team? Online team, are you able to understand what I'm speaking? Yeah. A1 dot real, what is the output? 10 or 20? 10. Let's run this one. Now A1 dot imaginary, what is the output? 20 or 20J? 20. But you got error. Did you see? Complex object has no attributes called imaginary, because how do we see system versioning? We not type something called system, because Python is dynamic programming language. So you need to do a1 dot imag and you get your output over here. Clear? Just a1 dot imagine 20.0. Understand? Clear, guys? Okay, so you need to the check the real and imaginary part. You just need to do a dot real and a dot imag, right? Not imaginary. Clear? I'll share all these notes once I'll finalize how many of enroll to these sessions, and then share all these notes, guys. No need to worry. Now, Boolean data types, internal memory. So what else we completed so far? We completed integer, float, and complex. Very simple, very simple, isn't it, guys? Even the non-technical students, everybody understand what exactly this one. Now let's heading towards bool. Bool means Boolean, yes or no, win or lose, true or false, because how I will connect this problem statements to machine learning. Okay, how the data is classify the data, what is continuous data, lot of things I'm going to explain in statistics and machine learning journey. Understand? So at this moment, okay, so what is meant by Boolean? Let's talk about this one. So internally, your machines will find out true means 1, false means 0. Internally, memory level understanding discussions happened. Yeah. A equals to 10, B equals to 20, and write a logic. I mean, create a variable. Python is object-oriented programming. So every time you have to create the variable, something like that. Okay. Now let's see. C equals to A greater than B. True or false? Does 10 is greater than 20? No, so that's why we got a false, isn't it? Now let's understand this one. Can you give me the answer for the first one, guys? For example, true plus true. What is the output, online students? What is the output, true plus true? True. Very good. Everyone is correct. True. Now let's read. I got 2, right? See, because true means 1. So 1 plus 1 is true. 2. Understand, guys? Just now I said, but you all people have said true, right? Now let's understand this one. True into true. What is the output? 1. Agree? Now true minus true, 0. Now true by true, 1 by 1. Correct? False plus false. Yeah, because 0. Got it? Now false plus true, 0 plus 1, 1. Right? Now true by false, 0 division error. Very good. 0 division error. Understand, guys? Because 1 by 0 is called infinity. We studied in math, but this is not something, so that's why you got the error is called infinity. So this is Python development, guys. This is nowhere related to the data science, but still we need to learn this one. Before we need to drive a vehicle, we need to understand what is brake, what is clutch, what is all the equipments of the vehicle, then we start a vehicle, isn't it? So before we build any machine learning models, try to understand what are those identifier, what is the basic data types, and all those things. True by true, 1. Yep. True by false, you get division by 0 error. Clear? So what exactly string data types? And once you guys are enrolled to this course, I will share you. See, my one student, she prepared resume for a freshers. I mean, she been done all those things, machine learning and everything. Now she's gonna apply by tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Yes, so everyone will prepare this type of resume. We will discuss this resume based on your experiences, what technical concepts, what things need to mention. She missed a lot of things, yeah. And I told her to add on all these things. This is the formula sheets. In the team also, you need to create this type of formula. Then only, no need to worry, sir, I don't know maths, so we are not writing any exam. Understand? You need the equations to build the future predictions. Understand? All those things we're going to see this. So today, if everyone is enrolled to the course, let me check with my support team. I will share these two documents, guys. Did you see this one? Okay, Python tutorial, yeah. And this Python notes for professionals. This book contains 856 pages, guys. This book contains 856 pages. Understand? So if you complete all those things, if you complete all those things, then you are geek of this Python. Okay, as I keep on saying. But I want everybody to please complete the first task, which is called 118 pages book. So this would be your first task, guys. The first task could be for yourself. Let me write it down here. Bool also done, right? Bool. Now the task 0 for you is need to complete 118 pages book. 118 pages, not in one day. Every day, take only 10 minutes, not more than that, because this 10 minutes will make you to make more 30 minutes. All right, based on your all five fingers are not equal. Agree? So someone will understand in 5 minutes, someone will understand 10 minutes, someone will understand 30 minutes. It's all depends on your level of understanding. So this is your task one. Understand or not? Clear? This is projects, this is task one in the sense it's for you guys, because all fingers are connected to the brain, right? When I type something, it's directly linked to the brain and we understand what exactly we're doing things right now. Clear, guys? So now here we go. Let's talk about string data types. Online team, are you understand? Yes, Abhishek. Yes, Avilasha, Chakri, all of them. Yes, Chandrahash, wait, man. Whenever I ask you, just raise your hands. I said just write your questions. We'll discuss. Yep. And you post your questions over here. You post your questions, Chandrahas. Okay, I will review and I can speak. Because if I speak with you, I need to change my mic. Okay. Yeah. Now let me go to the string here. Why string is very, very essential? Let me tell you guys. Do you see this is called spider applications? Whenever we going to build some of algorithms using some of the packages, let's say in a company, you worked for 1 year, you quit the job, right? Some other employee will go, right? So whatever you done, if you don't mention some comments, how do you think you will understand, right? Yes or not? Or do you call him or you can get the data? No. So definitely the string is very, very essential to understand. So that's why we talk about the string. So let's talk about the string enclosed in a single quotes or double quote. Now let's talk about this one. Good, good. So Naresh, good for data science. Can I mention Naresh as identifier? Can I mention Naresh as identifier? Yes. Good for data science. How many quotes I mentioned over here? Single quotes. Now let's check Naresh. We got output. Now let's change to double quotes. Can I get output or I get error? Output. Can I change to triple quotes? Can I change to triple quotes? Error or output? Output. Very good. Now let's talk about something like this. Now, what is the difference between all those three? Let's discuss. What is the type of Naresh? String. the type string str. Yeah. So now let's see. I wanted to say something like, let's talk about this one. Now I two comments good for data science, right? Now can I get error or not? So what is the difference you found from the last one and just now? Single line, this is for multiple line, correct? Now let's run this one. EOL means what? End of the line, yeah, while scaling string literal. Now let's run. What about the double? Let's talk about this one. Error or output? Error, because still. Now finally, when I change to triple lines, oops, just one moment. 2, 3. Yep. Error or output? Very good. You get your output. Good for the automatic N means new line. N means new line. I hope you get it. So wherever you declare with identifier, you should call the identifier with same name. I call nourish one as a good for data science. You have to call with nourish one. If I remove this one, what happened, guys? Definitely you will get error. Okay. No, because it will get the previous whatever assigned declarations, right? Correct. I hope you understand. Okay, good. Now, this is the very basic. I don't drag all those things, and I don't want to spend 1 week to explain integer, float, and all those things, guys. This does not make sense. And any of you, no one will ask you what is the difference between int and float. Clear? Now, the same a equals to hello, how are you? Yeah. So can I get output? Yeah. Let's run. This is called multi-comments. Yeah, this is called multiple comments. The reason why you need to be write this type of multi-comments line while you assigned on your coding projects, right? Now let me run this one. This is type of a equal to string. I hope everybody's understand single quotes and double quotes. There is not make sense much difference. All clear? All clear, online students? Yes, guys? Got it? Cool, good. So I will write it down here. The string used for single quotes or double quotes or triple quotes. Yeah. For triple quotes, we mentioned as multi-comments. Clear? Got it? Now let's done this one, guys. Yeah, here we go. Now another one is called typecasting. Another called is typecasting. So typecasting in the sense, how do I convert floats to integer, complex to float, and bool to complex? And let's see some of the conditions. Understand, guys? Now let's talk about this one. Let's talk about this one. For example, this one. Just give a second. Let me cut and paste here. Now the next part is typecasting. Let's minimize this one, heading towards. Now, integer, I'm saying, can you please cast means can you please convert the float argument 10.123? This is called parameters. Yeah. In upcoming days in machine learning model, we have parameter and hyperparameter tuning. What exactly those tuning we're going to understand later part. Yeah. So 10.123, I'm saying, can you please convert this value to integer? What is the output? Very simple. Yeah. Now I'm saying complex 10 plus 20 is a to integer. Can we get output or error? You cannot convert complex to integer. Online team, are you guys are understanding? Let's run. Now, let me. Can you please cast bool to integer, true to integer? What is the value? 1 or 0? 1. Now false to integer, is this possible? False to integer? 0. Let's run this one. And string to int. Yes, it's possible. Very good. Now string to integer nourish to int. No output, right? Because invalid literal for integer with base 10. So you got your output. Everybody's clear this part? So what logic you got right now? So you accept complex, you can convert, any other data types to integer. Clear? Now let's talk about another one, float. So for example, 10 int to float. What is the output? What is the output, online team? 10.0. Agree? Cool. Good job. 10.20j to float. What is output? Error. Right? Error. And what about false to float? 0. I'm sorry, 0, right? And string 11.0. String, right? Understand everybody? Clear? Yes, guys. Now the same things for this one also same. Copy and paste here and accept. This is float. Got it? Everybody's clear, online student, or anybody have any questions? Anybody have any question? All right. Good. Now let's talk about complex. Let's talk about complex. I'll give a lot of workshop we'll do together, not right now. Let's time comes up, okay? Now integer to complex, what is the output? Integer to complex, can we change it? What is output then? Very good, 10 plus 20. Where do you got 20, Chakri? No, I'm just past the first one. Understand? Yeah, no worries, no worries. 10 comma 20. Now your answer is correct, right? So by default, 0j it's considered, right, on this case, correct? Now 10.5, can I get output or error? Output or error? 10.5 plus 10.5 plus 0j, agree? Okay, cool. Now true, I'm saying true to complex. 1 plus 0j, very good. What about this one? False to complex. 0 plus 0j means 0j, isn't it? Python is dynamic programming language because you add anything with 0, the output we got as 0. Clear? And now true, we done. True, false. Yeah. 10 string to complex. 10 plus 0j. Let's see this. You got it? Yeah. This is very easiest one, guys. Yeah. Complex, there is no you can possible for typecasting. There is no such pointers for complex. Clear? You can cast from any other data type to complex. Clear? Now let me go back to the next topic. Bool. Let's understand this one. Let's understand this one. What about the first one? 0 to bool. True or false? Who said true? False, right? And what about this one? 10 to bool. True. 0.0 to bool. 0.0. False. Okay. And 0.01. True. Non-zero value, true. Okay. Now what about this one? 10 plus 20j. Guys, let me know if I'm going very fast, online team. Let me know if I'm going very fast. Does anyone face it's very fast? Does anyone feel it's very fast? So I'll slow down. Okay. No, guys, no need to worry because when I shared this screen, I mean, access to you. Yes, Ajad. Ajad, I hope very understand. You know, it's a Boolean means true or false. Yes, Ajad. Yeah. So no need to worry. I mean, this is not a big topics. Yeah. I just trying to convert all the data types to Boolean. Yes, Bitin. Okay. Anyway, I'll speak with you. Okay, let me slow down. Let me slow down. All right. And 0 plus 0j to bool. False. Yeah. I pass complex to Boolean. Bitin, are you able to understand? Anyway, after that, let me speak with you. Okay, Ajad and Bitin, both of you. Now let's talk about this one. What about this one? Boolean empty string. False or true? False. If I give a space over here, true or false? True. Got it? What exactly I'm saying? Yep. Now ABC string. True or false? True. Yeah. And single space, definitely this is false. But now when I give a space, you get it true. So Boolean also possible, right? You can convert. So in cast, there's no such pointer for bool as well. Let's copy and just 1 second. Bool, right? Now let me go back to the next topic. Now string. What is string? Exactly. 10 to string, integer to string. Is this possible? Yeah. 10.50. Very good. You can get a single quotes. Did you see? You can get a single quote. Okay, you will get a single quote. And true to string, what is the output? Very good. Let's run this one. True. And complex to string. Got it. Yep. So this is all basic data types, guys. This is all basic data types. For example, integer, float, complex, Boolean, string, all these things are basic data types. Understand or not? Understand or not? So all the online students, first you check your internet connections, guys, and I want you to connect with Wi-Fi, not on hotspot, and I mean something like mobile. Yeah, clear. So I will share the basic part to you for practice, for understanding all those things. Clear. Typecasting we completed, and all those things we completed, guys. Let's see, x equals to 10, y equals to 10. Print id of x and print id of y. I'll get address of the memory locations, isn't it? I will get id means what? Id means address of the memory locations. Clear? Yeah. And id of y, I'll get the same. I'll get the same address, right? Now let's operator x equals to 20 and y is equals to 20. So does x is y, true or false? Does x is y? Yeah. And does y is x? Does y is x? True. Online team, are you understand? Yes, Bikesh? Yes, Ajad? Could you please friendly response? Yes, Ajad and Bitin. Are you understand, guys? Very simple. I'm saying x equals to 20. You know what is identifier? You know what is data types? And I'm writing conditions over here. So please repeat this example. This one, Nish, this one. Yeah. So I mentioned x equals to 20, y equals to 20. When I'm say x is y, definitely I'll get output true. Correct? Yes. And when I say y is x, we get true. Isn't it? Yes, Nishu. Okay. Now let's understand last part before I go ahead to the data structures. X equals to true, y equals to true, g equals to false. Now, does x is y? Does x is y? True. Nisho, answer your output. Does y is z? Does y is z? And does z is x? And does z is y? Let's run it. Got it now. So actually, this what exactly we done so far? We done with the basic data types. What exactly, guys? We are done with the basic data types. Understand? Now, let me take, as I don't know anything about you, so every day I will talk about, if I talk data structures complete, it's not make sense. I will allow you sometimes, and then things should be, you should be, fetch into the portal and let's Google Classroom is created, all those things. Please take your add-on. My classroom is created over here. Let's talk bookmark 10 a.m. and okay. So every day I will post my notes over here. Yeah. This notes, you open your login ID, you get your email is, you need to add to your email over here. Yeah. And then whenever I'll send the notes informations, you can download from here. Understand? So please connect to the support team and get things very done. So today, let me talk about the books which I talk about. The first book I'm going to give you today is called this one. Yeah. See, Python tutorial for what, when share classroom code. No, Washim, can you please check with support team? Maybe you will get the link and you can connect to it. I will inform Om to take care of this one. But if not, might be let's check, or else I will share the link tomorrow. Okay. See guys, this is Python tutorial. This page contains 181 very simple things: import system, keywords, operator, date, time. Understand or not? Date and time. Yeah. When you execute in your machines, you understand. Yesterday I was talk about what was keywords, right? All the details are given up here. Length of keyword, what exactly output we'll get here. Length means we will get the numbers. Identifiers, one by one, I want you to comments in Python. Yeah. See, if I talk everything, then it become a Python developing class. Yeah. Do you want me to continue like this? Then we cannot. Did you see R, Python, Hadoop, Spark, Azure, all those things? Did you see, guys? That's data science is all about. When you understand this one, you are eligible for developer role. Understand? You're not eligible for data scientist. Clear? So if you do not know anything, just come and start working one by one. Do not think too much. Do not use your brain. Just follow me what I'm saying. Very simple, I'm saying. And complete every day, complete one page, not more than that. Okay. You cannot eat your lunch at dinner also at one time, right? So just one pages complete. Did you see 118 pages over here? Lot of things, comments in Python, statements, okay, and indentations, and just anyway I'll cover for loop, while loop, all those things. Doc strings, okay, variable assignments. How do you assign the variable? Understand? Multiple assignments, data types. I covered numeric. This is for your practice. Yeah. This is for your little bit hands-on to them. So try to come every day with laptops, guys, because few things you need to understand. Yeah. If you got any error, just we can troubleshoot with me, and maybe some of team members are there to guide you if the lab is started very soon. Okay. It will start very soon. Okay, this is numerical data types. This is called Boolean data types. I told you. And then this is a strings, how to create a string creations, hello Python, and all those things, guys. And string indexing, the forward indexing, we're going to work on very high practical on forward indexing part. All right. Backward indexing. This is very important because if you see this is we build the model using unstructured data. What is meant by unstructured? Did you see this is a root? Yes or not? XML. This is XML article. Do you have any level over here? No. There is no level. This is unstructured data. How to call this unstructured data to the software called Spider? So there is a packages called BS4 urlib spacey. This is advanced course, guys. All right. And all those things I'm going to work. So how to clean the interview question is how to convert unstructured data to structured data, right? This is called web scraping. This is called web scraping, or also get the clean data from raw unstructured data, correct? All those things I will talk about in detail, not right now. So there's a lot of things we have, guys, in upcoming days. So few projects I was talking about my students, let's talk about. I create some project list. I create some of the project list for you, class practice projects, data science projects. So all these projects are pretty quite important for our programming and all those projects, right? These are the project list I prepared with you guys. So you need to be practice all the projects. You have to do it. I will guide you and you have to do it. When you do it, definitely you have to explore those things in time of interview. Agree or not agree? Agree or not agree, guys? I'll show you all these things. I have to show you guys, then only you can understand. Then I will tell you what is the correlations, what is the connections between Python to statistics. Then I will show you statistics to machine learning, then machine learning to NLP, then NLP to deep learning, then deep learning to computer vision. And this is all. Then why cloud is required, Azure ML also, how can we deploy the model in cloud? You must need to know, guys. You must need to know. This is called pipelines. Understand? So the one who missed to watch the demo videos, that is not a demo. That's all real-time projects I explained to you. So please have a look at it and just come back and start working. So your task is already assigned. Let me post this book over here. Just one moment. Misk. I will show you a lot of books, guys, lot of companies informations as well. So in Python, the book which I'm sharing you, you will join any institute in the world. Let me tell you, you will join any institute in the world. No one will cover 850 pages. You know, guys, let me ask you one thing. If you scroll down, just one second, I wanted to show you something. If you see this book is only for professionals. Okay. I wanted to show you some things called speech recognitions. There is a beautiful packages we have, Control F, speech. Anyway, I will share. You're going to understand all those things. See, this is advanced tokenizing input with Lex. Let me open this one. Yeah, here we go. Let's click. Can you hear me, guys? Online team, or my voice is breaking? Table of content. Let's go. Yeah, if you notice this one, just scroll down. Did you see a lot of advanced things I'm going to talk about, how to connect with IoT and all those things? Did you see profiling, Python Lex, and Python speed of programming performance optimizations? Okay, and lot of things, guys. So if you, that's what I'm saying, if you complete this, but definitely you don't complete, but let me tell you, my responsibility is to, I have to give this book because every household has TV, LED, right? You watch or not watch, every house has LED, correct? Same way, you practice or not practice, you keep this book in your system. Clear what I'm saying? Because this has a lot of meaningful, not only today, but in future, this would definitely help you. IoT programming, Python and Raspberry Pi. So this is advanced thing. Anyway, this is not completely into data science, but I will share this book to you. So at this moment, I will share this 118 pages book to everyone. Let's zip this file and let me post here. Let's close this one and may open here. Dear team, please work on the below files. Best regards. Right. Now let me give an attachment. Browse desktop. So once you download file, I will show you how to zip it. Let's post. So when your email ID is enrolled in here, let's say, see, Bhumika is already enrolled. Okay, Rahul, are you able to receive this file? Can you check Bhumika once? Can you check this file? And offline, please connect with them, okay? And this file already shared. Please start working on it. And tomorrow, once I complete the data structures, I will share this file as well to you. Yeah? You got it? Or your name is Bhumika? Okay, thanks. Okay, you got it, right? Okay, nice. So once you receive this, guys, you have to extract it. So how do you open the file? Just click this one. Once you click this one, okay, just click these three options, and then open in a new window. And then you can download this file and download this file. Yeah, this is where you can download. Once you download this file, I want you to download the WinRAR. Okay, show in folder. This is a zip format. Right click and unzip this one. Extract. Okay, extract to Python, and the file is get ready, and you can start working on it. Yeah, just be patient, be calm down. If you don't understand, no need to hurry. So definitely you will understand. Take your own time, guys. Be cool and be patient. Okay, clear? So I will take introductions, everyone, because I don't know who you are, guys, because what background you're from. So when we know each other, then things would be more beautiful. Yep. Okay, we'll understand everyone online and offline as well. Okay, team, any questions? That's it for today's sessions. We complete data types today. Tomorrow, we're going to understand data structures. Clear, online team? Any questions? Please wait. Rest of them. If you don't have any questions, I have registered my Gmail ID, but didn't get the zip file. Sindhuri, can you please check with support team, please? Okay, no worries. You will get, no need to worry. Yeah. The one who enroll to this course, definitely you will get this access. If you don't get this access, my support team will connect with you, team. No need to worry. So if I explain very fast, I will slow down because I'm thinking I explain very slow, guys. No need to worry. Yeah. Okay. Any questions offline? Any questions? Or else tomorrow we'll meet up again on same time. Clear? Yes. Is your first class today? First class? Just collect the recordings. Yeah. Yeah. We saw a lot of projects over there. You guys, how many of them are completed Python? Can you raise your hands? Here only? Does not complete machine learning and all those things, right? Just only Python. NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, those things we completed. Only NumPy, Pandas, not Matplotlib, Seaborn. Okay, good. Very good, Vashim. What about others online? So Arshad, wait. I'll cross check with the online team. Just wait. Online team, wait. Offline team, you can leave further. Understood? You understand what exactly I'm speaking? Yeah. Good. Okay. See you tomorrow. Okay, guys. Yeah. Thanks. Please check with support team if you're not able to. 1 or 15 minutes, 1 or 30 minutes, like that. 1.5 hours. Why? You no need to worry. You understand the concepts, that's important. I cannot take 3 to 4 hours, right? Yeah. Hmm. You can check, you get your output. You can get your output. You can check. Anyway, you have system. You can download the machines. You can try. Yeah. See, statistics. First, you listen the recording. Today is your first class. You don't know, right? I already complete 7-day sessions. You go and get the recordings. I cleanly explained what topics I'll cover. Okay. Then you come back and think. 3.5 months. That's what I'm saying. If you interest, then come, or else no need to come. Okay. Just you go back and listen the demo and then come back to me. Okay. Got it. Yeah. Yeah. Can you show them once? Yeah. Can you show them once? Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Hmm? I know. That also comment. That also comment. Yeah. Both will use for comments. See, you don't think too much. You are hungry. You go to hotel and eat the food. Who prepared it? Why they prepared? Why only chicken? It's not required, right? Just comment is means you need to inactive the line. Very simple. Okay. Yeah. Both the same. Yeah. Hash. Yeah. Where it will show the output. It will show the output. You check once I shared this one. You check. You got to understand. Yeah. Yeah. Do you enrolled? You enrolled? Good. Good. We will see. A lot of things we have. Okay. Yeah. Hmm. 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 No, Python is required. I will show you all these things, right? Python is the basic part. Then we talk about all these things later part. All right. Yeah. Evening, please check with support team. Okay. Yeah. Thanks. Thanks.
Yes, program. So we'll put some experience. Okay. We'll put some experience. Take experience. First class. Today my first class. Today is my first class. No, you get the recordings. Yeah, you get the recordings. We'll discuss. Okay. Okay, right? I will talking about. Okay. No problem. That's what I'm saying. Yeah. You take recordings and then you let me know if you have any questions. Yeah. I'm from Odisha. I know Odisha. I'm from Odisha. Okay. Good, good. No problem.
Yeah. Wait. I have class. Wait. I have sessions. We'll speak later. Okay. Yeah. Yes, Chandrahas, please, guys. Anybody have any questions? Let's discuss. Dinesh and Sunita and Krishna and Chandrahas and Ajad and Bitin. I will speak with later. Yeah. Yes, guys, one by one. Can you speak with me?
Hello. Hello.
Bitin, are you there? Yes, please go ahead. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, sir. Hello. Hello, sir.
Yeah, please.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Azad. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir. How can I download your copy?
My file, I think I already shared you, buddy. Can you please
Yes.
check it out? I think you go back to here. Just now I sent to you, right? Your email is registered over here.
No, sir.
So first, let your email is registered. If you enroll the course, then your email will be registered over here. All right, and then you can download it. Clear?
It is in Google Classroom, sir.
Yeah, it's in Google Classroom. Understand?
Sir, they ask for class code.
Yeah, you can ask the class code. I think this is the class code. Can you check? Let me share here. Okay,
Okay, sir.
let's check. All right.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yes, Sunita, please go ahead.
Hello,
I
sir.
unmute everyone, the one who asked questions. Yes, please go ahead.
Hello, sir. I'm
Yeah.
Sunita.
Yeah.
Sir, I can't get the option to chat with you. That's why I have raised my hand initially.
Okay, so you can no need to ask me any questions. You can post your questions in the chat window.
No,
Okay.
no, I'm not getting option to chat to directly to you.
Okay, so can you please talk to them? Can you please talk to them? And I mean, talk to the support team. First, you create your Gmail ID over here. Okay, Sunita?
Yes,
First, yeah, let please add your Gmail ID in this window, then we can speak. Okay?
all right, sir. Already I have enrolled this course.
Yes, but your email is not add here, right?
All right, all right.
Yeah, please check with support team. Thanks.
Hello, sir. This is Dinesh. Uh, Hello, sir.
Can guys,
Hello.
1 second. 1 second, 1 second.
Okay,
Who's
sir.
this? Dinesh, one moment. I'm sorry.
Yes, sure, sir.
No problem. Wait, I'll talk. That's personal. All right. Yes, please. Chandrahas, no questions. Good. Good, no questions. Yeah. Yeah, Dinesh, please go ahead, buddy.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
today is my first day. So
Okay.
I want to get the previous recordings. Sir. How can I get them?
Can you please talk to the supporting? I think they will give you. And in the meantime, let's see if I have, I will share with you, Naresh, morning batch, 10 a.m. And this would be the day 4 demo. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Chat. Okay, guys, you get it or not? Clear?
Yes, I
You
get
check
understand.
this one. Okay, thanks, Dinesh. All right. Anybody else? Sunita, I please ask to your support team. Then you got your answer. Yes, Krishna, any question? Krishna, Uday, Drakshayani, Archana, Mohammed.
Yes, sir. This is Uday. Hello, sir.
Good morning. Please go ahead quick.
Yes, sir. I have a small question, sir.
Yes.
In the like one minute, sir. Yes,
Hmm.
sir. You mentioned, sir, like that the value of Boolean 10 is
Hmm.
true, sir. But how is it possible? Because Boolean has only 1 and 0, right, sir? Value. 1 is true and 0 is false, right, sir?
No, then 10 is a non-zero value, right? 10 is non-zero
Okay,
value.
so any non-zero value is true, sir.
Exactly. Any non-zero value is it will give output. Clear?
Okay, so
Okay.
if we have like
You can
two.
check. You can check on your systems, and then
Okay,
you
sir.
can make things done. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you. That's it.
All right. Yeah. Uh-huh. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Just 1 second. Any more questions, guys?
Hi, sir. This is Arshad with you.
Yeah. Just one moment, Arshad. Just one moment. Let
Yes.
me discuss with you. Just 1 second. Okay. Just 1 second. Just 1 second. హెల్మెట్ బ్యాగ్ పైనకి తెచ్చి అలా పైనకి తెచ్చు ఇక్కడ ఉన్నది ఫిఫ్త్ హెల్మెట్ బ్యాగ్ రెండు
No, sir.
Hi. Yes, please. Can you hear me or not?
Yeah, here. Sir, actually, I have one doubt, sir. You shared the some book, right? How to see that?
Okay. Now, Archana, any question for you? Dinesh, quick guys.
Hi, sir. Sir, one more question, sir. Sir, this Dinesh. I don't have good knowledge into Python, so still I can continue with this data science.
Yeah.
তোর ওই ভিতর
Just
হাজবোল্ড হবে বাঁদিকে
one moment.
মানে শ্রেণীতে
One moment,
উঠতে চান
guys.
বাঁদিকে হবে
Just
তিন
one
যেখানে দিকে আছে ভিতরে আছে না ভিতরে বাঁদিকে হবে
moment.
আমি আসছি 5 মিনিট আসছি
Okay. Now go ahead, guys. Can you hear me now? Yes, Drakshayani. Yes, Mohammed. Yes, Dinesh. Please go ahead, guys. Yeah. Now you can speak with me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, this is Dinesh. Sir,
Yes,
I don't
Dinesh,
have
please.
knowledge in Python, so still I can continue with this data science.
Of course, man, because we started first, your thing is you need to collect the recording. That is the first
Yes.
thing.
Okay, sir.
You need to collect the recording. That is the first thing. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank
Clear
you.
or not? Yeah. Thanks.
Yes, please.
Because if you have recording, then everything would be clear. Okay.
Hello. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, just I want to know the file which I have saved in Jupyter Python any
Okay.
Python file. What is its default location?
The file default location.
Yes.
The file default location is go to the desktop. Okay.
Okay.
C drive and then user, then K data. Then you will see this is your file default. This is where you saved your all the files. Correct.
Okay. So can I change the location of file or we
Why you want to change? Keep it as usual, no?
Okay. Okay.
First you practice, then this is all these things we can do anytime. This
Okay.
is not important. Yeah.
Sir, actually for study one, I have one question. We have create an variable c is equal to 0 base by it's a base binary 222. So when I
See, I
run
don't first one thing. Let me tell you first. You enrolled your Gmail ID over
Yes,
here, right?
yes, I have
You
it.
post your questions, whatever you mentioned here. You
Okay.
post your questions, I'll address you. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Or anybody can address, no problem.
Okay.
Clear? Okay. Anyone else? The one who not have questions, you can lower your hands.
Hi,
First,
sir,
try to
Arshad.
first add your questions, guys. That is very important. Add your Gmail ID over here, then you can post your questions. Yes, Sinduri. Yes, Shiva. Shiva, Sinduri, Arshad, any question, buddy?
Yes, sir. Wanted to ask if we get any cloud access for to the labs or Naresh IT labs.
Cloud access.
Yeah, I mean for the lab.
Yesterday, no, you are online, right?
Yes.
You can work from your laptop, right? Why you
On my
go for
own
a
lab.
cloud?
Okay.
That's a Google Colab is cloud. You can use Google Cloud as well, correct?
Yes, no, I didn't have any idea about that. That's why.
You don't have laptop?
I have a laptop.
You can work with that first.
Acha, okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
If your system is slow, then let me know.
No, that's fine. I think 4 GB, I got 4 GB RAM. So far it's going good.
Let me tell you guys, the one who not access your Gmail, please connect to the support team and get it access. I cannot take care of all those things. Please understand. Okay. And whatever questions you have, please mention the question in the classroom. I will address you. Okay. Yes, Arshad. Yes, Sindhuri. Any question?
Yes, yes,
Yes.
got it.
I mean, it's not too related to support, I guess, but I just want to cross check. I've enrolled and I could see the recordings. Only the file which you shared today, I can't see that. You
Okay.
said that I need to register or enroll, right? How should I do
Okay.
it?
No problem. Any these things done by support team only.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, then I'll reach out to them.
Yeah. Yeah. Please. Yes, Shiva.
సార్
Yeah.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు మీరు పైథాన్ ఇట్లా పంపించేస్తారు సార్ నోట్బుక్ అదే మేము ఇట్లా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలా సిస్టమ్
Okay. Avunu. Yes. Yes. You have to practice.
ఓకే సార్
Okay.
ఓకే సార్
Thank you. Bye, guys. Yes, Sakshi, no problem. You can able to do this. No worry. No worry. Okay. Thank you so much. You have a great day, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.